So what do I do? Oh, I'm forgetting size. PID-SEG SID address, yeah. I'm kind of tempted to store size. The thing that worries me is that every time a window gets remapped, I'm going to redo this. And I can't unmap those shared memory segments. Like, they're just in the process, I think. That might not be true, because when I SHM DT, it might mark them as not used, and now they're not used by any process, and it might remove them. I don't know how that works. Do I warn about this? Warn X here? Probably. I don't know. Why did I not do it before with the pix maps? I have no idea why I didn't. Yes. Now on the circulate, that's an interesting one. I think for now, do I want to track the sizes? I think I have to. Does it make any sense otherwise? I maybe even just want to track the geometry. Also, this whole structure of arrays thing is not, I don't think it's paying off, because I kind of use all of these things at once. There's a couple of them, like tags, which I think it's beneficial. Probably, maybe wins, roots, and tags I think are beneficial to have a structure of arrays, because frequently I am looping through that whole set of them just at once. But the rest of them all get used together. Like, the rest of them are basically inseparable, so I might as well group them together. But that's not a performance bottleneck we have at the moment, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay. So we're going to have to go to grab these. Where are we? Here. And we'll have to grab this. Where are we now? Okay. We'll just have to put those there. What's going on here? And then I think I just want size to be equal to it'll be an xproto, right? And it'll be under xcb get geometry reply. Here we go. I think I just want it to be geom reply. Yeah, and then I'll just want a free geom. Why do I have free prop? Why don't I just free it immediately? What do I use it for? Oh, here. Sure, whatever. Geom width times geom height, I guess. And then divide that by 8. I think I want to save the size. Okay, so are we good now? Whoops. Okay. Now, last time I lost all of my code, so what do? New text file. That's what I do. That'll do. Yeah, we can't back some windows. Now the question is, when does this happen? It happens when blending. Okay. Okay, pretty slow. Yeah, pretty janky. Yeah, very janky. Okay. But 12 frames per second. I think that's higher than like the 7 we had last time. So what I want to do is put in some jank. So we'll log start the name. How do I want to do this? This is going to be janky. Okay, so we're going to go struct times spec t0 name t1 name, I guess, and then s name, right? So then what we're going to do is we're going to go clock get time clock monotonic, and we'll put that in t0 name, right? Is that all we need to start? Okay, and then we go define end. And what we're going to do is go clock get time, clock monotonic. Oh my god, I can't type. Name. And then we want to go time spec sub. I always forget how this works. Here we go. Time spec sub. Where'd it go? I just lost it. Subtract B from A and store it in C. So we're gonna store here. And we'll come back to that in a moment. But we'll go printf or warn X, I guess. We've already got warn. Is that how that works? It stringifies it. And then we're going to go 0.3 F milliseconds, I guess. That's about the scale we're looking at. Oh man, my brain's struggling with this. Then we want to turn seconds into milliseconds, which gives me that. So we want to go name dot TV sec, and then we want to take s name dot TV and sec and divide that by 6 as well, from nano to like that. I don't know if that notation's legal. Okay, and then while 0, I guess. This is jank. Okay, and then we subtract B from A. So we want T1 name T. Jesus Christ, why can't I type or think for that matter? Okay, is that, okay, so that's a good start. And what we want to do is we want to go blend. I'm actually interested in how long compositing takes as a whole. Yeah, for everything. So we might go composite. And we might go composite like that. So about 20 milliseconds. Not thrilled. So now the thing is... Oh, but you know what? That's totally fine. And you know why? Because we didn't use the fucking shared memory. We're not even using it. Okay, so how do I use it? Let's go to the documentation. Put image